Hey guys, in this video, I am going to walk through the quickest way to add payments to any Next.js app or website in just a couple of minutes. This is for subscriptions, one-time payments, installments, or even free plans. The only tools that you're going to need are a MemberSpace account and a Stripe account. And for this example, I have already installed MemberSpace on this example Next.js website. It literally takes 30 seconds though. You just add the snippet of code to the global head of your website. You will just double check that there's this floating members button in the bottom right corner, which you can change the text for later on if you want. With MemberSpace, you can sell access to things like memberships, subscriptions, and gated content on your website or app. So for this example, I'm going to be selling access to a web app. So I want to gate access to the part of my website where the app lives. And to do this, I'll go to Spaces, Add Content, and then I'll click on the Gate Page option. Then I'll add the URL for the web app with an asterisk, which means that any URL that lives under this /app URL will require an active subscription to access it. So maybe I have apps/dashboard or app/account. No one will be able to access those pages until they've signed up and paid. Now to set up a subscription plan for the app, I'm going to go over to pricing and then click create a plan. And this is the stage where you will connect to your Stripe account. So if you don't already have one, you can quickly set one up. I've already done that, so I can go ahead and set up my pricing plan. There's lots of billing details here that you can customize, but I'm going to go with recurring plan since it's a monthly subscription. We'll call this premium plan for $25 once a month. There are some advanced options here, like choose billing date if I want to charge people on maybe the first of the month. I do want to set up a free 7-day trial. And then maybe after people sign up for the app, they get redirected to your dashboard or something like that. So you can put a redirect URL there. Now I'm going to create this plan. And the last thing that I need to do is just grab this sign up link right here and add it to a call to action button on my website. So I'm going to add it to this join now button. So when someone clicks it, they will see a sign up form that'll take them to checkout, and then they'll be able to subscribe to access the app. This is what the sign up form looks like. I'll fill it out really quick so I can show you the checkout form as well. And here on the checkout form, you can see the plan that I just created. So I'll put in some payment information and then show you what it looks like to access the app from there. All right, now everything looks good. I can click on the app URL and it will take me directly there. And that's it. In just under 3 minutes, you can start accepting payments on any Next.js app or website. If you guys have any questions at all about how it works, put them in the comments and we would love to help. Thanks for watching.